Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a time-lapse charging test in the Realme X2 Pro device. The Realme X2 Pro has the 50 watts charger, so I am very much interested to test the how much time it actually takes by showing the percentage of indication at the lock screen. So right now the battery percent is of 2%, as you can see here, friends. So let me open the battery statistics. As you can see, a 2%, and I'll be connecting the cable right now, and I'll be starting the stopwatch, and I'll be playing the time lapse of this charging for about 30 minutes, and let's see how much the charging rate is in the Realme X2 Pro device. So if you're first time watching this video, friends, subscribe to my channel and also do check the links in description for the playlist of Realme X2 Pro device. So let's without any getting late, let's start the test right now. So on the lock screen, you get this kind of charging indication speed, how much fast it's charging. So right now you can see, friends, it's connected with a super walk charger, and the stopwatch has started side by side, and I'll be starting the time lapse of charging speed and the stopwatch side by side. can see here friends, it took about 41 minutes and 40 seconds to completely charge the Realme X2 Pro device from 2% to the 100%. So the reason why it took maybe more 10 minutes, because throughout the time the screen was on continuously. So maybe that must be the reason, that's why the battery got charged a little bit of slow. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel friends, and also do check the links in description for the playlist of both the phones, Redmi K30 and also Realme X2 Pro device. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.